Hi everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing great. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be talking about how to get an LMIA job offer in Canada. And an LMIA job, which is a labor market impact assessment job, is a job that is offered to foreigners to work in Canada. Now, even though this seems to be common knowledge, and that's why I don't talk about it a lot on this channel, but I've come across so many people who have no idea that there is a way that they can filter out LMIA jobs and there's a way they can get jobs for foreigners, since a lot of people are looking for jobs in Canada from outside Canada. So I want to show you one way that you can get these LMIA jobs. And I'm also going to show you other websites through which you can search for jobs that you, as a foreigner or someone who lives abroad, can get a job in Canada. So I'm going to show you this website and I'm going to do a demonstration for you, show you how you can create a lot and how you can begin to increase your chances of getting a job in Canada, so you too can be able to apply for work permit and use that as a route to permanent residence here in Canada. So let's go. Let me show you the website and what to do with it. So this is the website and it's called jobbank.gc.ca. It's Job Bank, which as the name implies, it's a bank of jobs in Canada where employers that are looking for employees both inside of Canada and outside of Canada are posting jobs. These jobs are genuine and you can actually find jobs for yourself. Now, you might have heard job bank everywhere, and you want to run away. Don't run away, because I want to show you certain things that you can do on job bank that you might not know before. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm also going to be giving you a list of 16 websites. Yes, you heard that. 16 genuine websites that you can use to get a job in Canada. I'm also going to be telling you certain websites and information that you can use to get jobs in specific sectors of the economy, like work and healthcare and construction workers. So make sure you're staying till the end of the video. So if you went to your Google or your Google Chrome or whatever, and you type in jobbank.gc.ca, I'm going to leave the link in the description. You'll come to a page like this. And the page says this is Job Bank, of course, the government of Canada logo and name is there. And it says your career starts here. And it actually does start here. You can see that you can find a job, you can choose a career and do career planning. There's labor market information there. And also it's for those who want to hire. And the information here is tailored to different people, including foreign candidates from outside Canada, which is many of us here, and also temporary foreign workers. Yeah. So let's say we're looking for a job like maybe a cleaner, for example. You would put what job you were looking for. For now, you would leave the location and just click the search button. And as you can see now, there are jobs that have come out, different jobs for cleaners, and it's sorted by the best. So these jobs are there for cleaners. Now, the jobs are usually posted by dates, but of course, you can always filter to the one that you want, and you can click show more results, and it begins to show you more and more results. But what you want to do is to go to the left where you have the filters, yeah? You can click to see more filters. Now, you, as someone who is outside of Canada, you are really not interested in every kind of job, which is a mistake I know a lot of people are making. They are just applying to every kind of job. But you are not interested in every kind of job. You're interested in jobs for foreigners. So if you scroll down here, you would see um, jobs for foreigners. So let's just check here. So you would see here, Canadians and international candidates. So that's the one that you are interested in, the one that is for both Canadians and those who are international candidates. You can see that the one above it is for Canadians and authorized workers, except you live in Canada and you have a permit to work in Canada. You don't want that one, yeah? So it will filter the jobs out, yeah? And then you can come here and start checking. Now you would see for the date posted, there are jobs that have been posted more than 30 days. I wouldn't advise you to go for that. Last 30 days, just go for the last 48 hours. Usually when you apply for jobs, you want to be amongst the first people that are applying for these jobs. Okay. So you filter it for the date posted. You're going to look at English. You want probably full-time, probably permanent roles, um, verified jobs, whatever. You can see verified jobs. Now you will start to click so that you can begin to filter. For the provinces, you can choose a province if you want, or you can leave all of the provinces. You can see that for this particular job, Alberta has the most. So click Alberta. And when you click on the province, you'll usually see the different cities or regions in that province. You might not care about that. Salaries, we just leave it that way. Let it bring all the salaries, and then you would filter like that. So that's how to filter. And if you wanted to view 10 results, so this has 10 results, you can now view, yeah, and begin to now make your application. So let's just click the first one here, cleaner. Then it shows you the details of the job. It's permanent, full-time, start as soon as possible. It's a verified job. There are 4 vacancies, $19 per hour. It's full-time job, so it's 40 hours per week. No degree or certificate is required. They will train you. And the work setting is a commercial building. These are all the responsibilities, sweep, mop, dust furniture, and all that. And it says who can apply. Now, this who can apply is very important, yeah. Who can apply? Canadian citizens and permanent residents, other candidates with or without a valid Canadian work permit. You can see that they're going to take you even though you don't have a work permit in Canada. It's valid until 29th of November, as at the time we're making this video. If you click the show how to apply, there's an email there. So it says by email to this email address. You want to send your resume there, and if you can make a cover letter, send it there. Now, when it comes to resumes and cover letter, it needs to be in a Canadian format because a lot of these employers might be passing it through the applicant tracking system. You need to make sure that your resume is actually passing the applicant tracking system. And I'm going to talk shortly in another video how to format your resumes so that it is passing through the applicant tracking system successfully. Yeah, so you send that, and then you can do an email. You can sign up here so that you you get job alerts. You can print this page. You can share the page. You can do an email. Now, I would want you to set up an alert. And when you set up an alert, whenever jobs like this, are posted, you would be alerted so that you'll be among the first to apply. Whatever jobs you want, yeah, you need to come here, search for it, and set up an alert. So that's where you set up the alert. Just put your email address and you sign up there. You will get an alert. So if you wanted to get jobs for maybe cook, an administrative assistant, whatever it is that you wanted to get jobs for, you would be putting the information there so that you can get the jobs. Another website as well is Indeed. I know Indeed is very popular as well. It's one of the websites that people amazingly have used to get lots and lots of great jobs in Canada. Yeah. The same thing you put, let's say you put administrative manager. We're just giving an example. Administrative manager, you would probably put in the city that you want and click find jobs. The thing about Indeed is that you can upload your resume. Yeah. Some people upload their resumes. Maybe you look at the type of job, you look at 5 or 6 adverts for a particular job type, maybe for administrative manager, you see basic things that they're asking for. They are usually the same, right? Then you come up with a resume for administrative manager so that whenever there are administrative manager jobs, you can just look at it. It's similar to what your CV is, and you can upload that. That's one time when you can use one resume to upload for several jobs because they are the same job type, right? If it was another job that was, tailored to another skill that you had, then you would need to create another resume for that. Guys, no matter what you've heard, it is possible to get jobs in Canada. Like I see people almost on a daily basis here in Canada. I like to talk to people when I see they're new and I ask them, how did you come in? And they said they came in, they got a job. I'm not saying it's popular like that, but people actually are getting these jobs. And if you're persistent, you don't slow down, you are not negative, you don't get tired, you will get a job if that is how you want to come to Canada, if that is how your heart has told you, if that's your desire, you will be able to get a job. Just follow this, go on to Job Bank, set up an alert, look out for my next video or the next 2 or 3 videos where we're talking about, how to format your resume, so that employers in Canada find you attractive. I'm also going to leave the link to Indeed and Job Bank in the description. I will leave also 16 other websites that you can use to find jobs in Canada, as well as, other links that will be useful to you. Now, trust me, if you don't have an optimized LinkedIn profile, you might be missing out on opportunities. So go optimize your LinkedIn profile today. I don't have a video on my channel right now, but I plan to do one talking about how to optimize your LinkedIn channel, because I know that whether you're in Canada, outside of Canada, LinkedIn is a gold mine for very, very, very good jobs. Yeah. So if you gained any value, please can you help me to like this video and share it. That's one way that YouTube can show the videos to more people, and that's one way that you can show some appreciation for for me making the videos. And I would really, really appreciate that. Guys, if this is the kind of content that I like to see, don't forget to check out the other videos in my channel and the videos that are coming on. We have so much valuable stuff, so much valuable videos and information coming in the near future. Don't be afraid of looking for a job in Canada. Don't be afraid thinking that you won't get a job, whether you're in Canada or outside Canada, you will get, yeah? Fortune flows to those who are prepared and to those who are positive. So just stay prepared and stay positive. Your dream for getting a job in Canada will come true soon. Thank you guys for watching up until now. I love you guys and I appreciate all your likes and shares. And I'll talk to you in the very next one. Thank you and take care now. Bye.